Hi, I'm Danny, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to drop the background out of a photo. First of all, you need to know that you can only do this with the Canva paid version. You cannot use the free version to do this. So now that you know that, let me show you how to do this really fast. So all you need to do is come up to create a design. You can really pick on anything, any project that you're working on, but I'm just going to click on the logo for right now. And my workspace appears. Now what I need to do is go over to my images. And so I'm just going to click the upload button, and you can upload a file by just clicking on the purple upload button. But I'm going to go ahead and choose an image that I already have in here that has a background. And you can see that the handles are lit up here. So that means that the image is selected. Now, if it looks like this and there's no handles that are showing, then all you need to do is click on your image. You'll see the handles are highlighted again, and then come up to Edit Photo. Off to the left, under Effects, you'll see BG Remover, and it tells you that you need the Pro version in order to use this tool. That's what that means here. So just click on there, and you can see how quickly it dropped the background out of my photo. Now, all I need to do to save this is I'm just going to come up and give this a name. And then click on the share button, and you can save it to a folder. So I have a test folder in here for videos that I record. But then when I'm done with that, if I want to download it, just simply click share again, click on the download button, choose what type of file you want. So I'm going to do PNG, but you can choose any of these other options. And I'm going to click download. Now my image is here, and you can see that I have an image that I can add different backgrounds to or use however I choose to, but the brick background is no longer there. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.